I'm not an activist. I'm not a lawyer. I don't know a lot of the legalese. I'm a mother of two very active young boys, and I'm here for that reason and for another reason. The first reason would be economics. I know that everybody's living through struggling economic times. I think that the way to solve that is for people to stop feeling like things are about to end and start living their lives as they used to and spending money. Towards that end, my husband and I are wanting to put money that we've been saving towards a home that we want to build, and we're looking towards doing that. One of the things that concerns me with this is that we have a company bringing in new technology where they need to put in a lot of cell towers to do it. They don't have to go before anybody to explain why this new technology is needed. They don't need to go before anybody to talk about where they're going to put it. So you want to put money into the environment, into the economy, and build a house, and you don't know if coming into the future somebody's going to put a cell tower across the street from that. It's going to impact your economics, and it's going to impact your children. There's a lot of technical talk about whether this is really true, whether it really impacts the health. When it comes to my children, and I happen to be a mother who is an expert on autistic spectrum disorders, I know that we're not always looking at what we know. You have to take the facts that you have at hand. You may not have enough information to know that this is exactly accurate. You take that information and you use it as best you can to protect your children and make sure that they have the future that they need. So I'm not the only kind of parent who would see a cell tower and say, I don't know what impact that's going to have. So I'm going to pull my child out of that school. I'm going to move out of this home. I'm not going to take my child to that park. We're going to protect our children more than we would protect ourselves, and we all know that. So at the very least, this information needs to be brought before something goes in. I'm not a big cell phone user, but whenever I need to use it, it happens to work. So I don't know that we need to have a cell tower in every neighborhood for that to happen. But I know that none of us know that because nobody's talking to anybody about it because nobody has to. So that's the basis of why I think the ordinance needs to be changed. Thank you.